Wagyu is very special. It's small farms raising from birth to slaughter time. Ibaraki Prefecture, this is raised at one farm, which means cattle has no stress, and at the same time their feed doesn't have any antibiotics. Each farm is exercising sustainable farming. They harvest their rice or Italian grass just to feed to their animal. 100% their supply of their own roughage. I visited several of these farms. It's quite amazing. No smell. You don't smell manure because they do their own control of their manure, and also they drink gallons of water a day, water which is potable to human beings. So everything is done correctly. That's why farmers are happy, cattle is happy, the meat is delicious, and everyone is happy. Hitachigyu is artisan, rich, sustainable, and delicious.
So this is actually a government approved and sponsored event. We're one of the few restaurants in the nation to be actually having this privilege. So please make sure to take care of the customers and let them know about that page too. That is an actual sign autographed by the mayor too.